Okay, Brody, can you put that down? Here we go. What's this letter?
A.
What sound does it make?
X.
Good. What's this?
C.
What sound? Good.
L. R.
What sound does L make?
U.
Good. What about this letter?
J. J. U.
What's this one?
W.
Nope. What's that one?
L.
M says.
Mm.
Good. What's this one?
D. D.
What's this one?
V. V. T. D. H.
Good.
F. Mm.
Good. What's this one?
G. J. G. A. R.
What does it say?
A.
Good.
There's a Y.
What's this one?
W.
What's it say?
Y.
Good. What's this?
Okay.
And what's it say? No. What's a K say?
K.
Good. What's this letter?
P.
And what's it say? Good.
E.
Take that out of your mouth. What's this?
E.
E. What's it say?
E.
Good. What's this?
C. S.
This one.
O.
What's
R.
it say? Good.
S.
Good.
Yep.
And what's it say?
R.
Good. What's this letter?
G.
What's this letter?
B. B. R. Mm.
You put 2 N's in there. What's this one?
R.
What letter?
E.
Yeah, that's what it says. What letter is this?
R.
Good.
O.
What's this letter?
L.
Try again. It looks like a baby L, doesn't it? What's that letter?
L. R.
It's not an L.
That's L.
Yeah, the L's right there. What's this one?
I.
I. What's it say?
R.
What's I say? You remember? What's I say?
R.
I.
E.
What's this letter?
F.
And what's it say? Good.
Chip sound.
What's
Qua.
Q sound? Good.
Y sound. Hurry.
What's Y sound?
Hurry.
Yeah, that's where it really goes. What's Y say?
Yeah.
Good. It says Y, Z, doesn't it? Hey, Brody, can you point to the K? Where's K? Good. Can you point to R?
Right here.
Good. J?
That's the F.
Yep, that's an N. Find J. Good. Find G.
That's
Where's...
U.
Yep, that's a U. Find G.
That's X.
Yep, X.
Hurry here.
That's right. X, Y, Z. That's right.
There's a B.
Yep.
Wow.
Yep, that is a B, isn't it? Hey, Brody, what does I say?
It.
Good. Good job on our game. High five. Woohoo! Way to go, Brody.
There's a X.
Yeah,
Wow.
good. That's right.
So next, so
Good. That
there's
is.
a 3 and 1.
Yeah, you see those numbers over here? They're even upside down.
There's 3 and 1.
Good.
Now, no game.
Another game. Cool.
Do
You want to do this game?
no.
Okay.